Hey guys, it's me, Tory at TG Sweet Treats and Grill, and I want to take the time to welcome you to episode 1 of Tory G's Cooking Show. Today, we're taking a trip to New Orleans, where I'm going to prepare some chicken, oxtail, and seafood gumbo. Can you believe that? Let's go! We are going to begin with 2 pounds of oxtails. We are going to sear them. Listen to that sizzle. The sizzling, baby. Go ahead, baby. I'm SIZZLNE. You see, I'm getting tired of this grease popping on me. Let's just move on. Sear until nice and brown. Here's some leftover roasted chicken we're going to use for the gumbo. Now we're going to add 8 to 12 cups of water. Make sure you add slowly so it won't splatter. We want to ensure that the majority of the meat is covered so everything can cook evenly. What I have here is handashi. Handashi is a granulated fish bouillon that has a very strong seafood taste. I'm going to use this as my seafood stock for the gumbo. Now, this is a shortcut because many Cajuns and Creoles, they like to make their own authentic seafood stock with shrimp heads or shelled fish, etc. But I promise you, it's not going to take away from the authenticity of this gumbo. This can be used as a great shortcut whenever you need seafood stock or various dishes. Now it's time to make our chocolate roux. And when I say chocolate, that's exactly what I mean. We must stand and stir for a good 20 minutes non-stop, but it is so rewarding. The color of this roux is very light-skinned. It's not near done. Now it's beginning to brown, but we're not there yet. It's browning, but we're still not there yet. Are we there yet? Nope. All right, we're there. Psych! Not there. Finally, we're there. Look at this nice chocolate color. This is the color that we worked so hard to attain. Here we have some fresh, clean okra that we're going to cut into slices. Next, we're going to saute the okra for 20 minutes. The purpose of this is to cook the slime out of it. Who wants to eat slimy okra? Ew. We're halfway there. Notice there's not a lot of slime. We have a little ways to go. All right, the okra is now done. The slime has cooked out. There is no trace whatsoever. All right, I just added a holy trinity to the chocolate roux. A holy trinity is chopped onions, celery, and green bell peppers. Now I'm stirring it until tender. This stock has been simmering for 4 hours. The oxtails have broken down and are extremely tender. Now I'm going to add the chocolate roux. Here I have some sliced andouille sausage. I'm going to add this to the gumbo, and I'm going to cook the gumbo for another 30 minutes. All right, guys, the gumbo has cooked for 30 minutes. And the last thing I'm going to add is some shrimp. I got some shrimp. I'm going to add the shrimp and cook it for an additional 5 minutes. Stir that shrimp in. Add the remaining parsley, and our gumbo is finished. Now we're going to put it in a bowl, top it with some white rice, and a side of sweet buttery cornbread. And boy, do we have a good meal. All right, guys, that concludes episode 1 of Tory G's Cooking Show. I hope you enjoyed it. We took an awesome trip to New Orleans, Louisiana, and I prepared some chicken, oxtail, and seafood gumbo. Hey, don't forget to follow my page, TG Sweet Treats and Grill, on Facebook and Instagram. And also visit my webpage, www.tgsweets.org. Episode 2 is coming soon. Have a great day. Bye for now.